So hello, this is part 2 of making mini paint. I was occupied yesterday. Didn't do it. Okay. So we left off. It's right now 6:09. I want to finish this. Uh, at least when it becomes 7. So as soon as you see make, cd, go back, make, then run, debug, bin, debug, mini paint. Let's just this. So this is where we left off. So we got this. So now what I want to do is I want to. So I'm gonna make that starting shape be a square. So I need to handle mouse events. So I'm gonna make another window that has build external Raylib master source Raylib.h. I got coffee. Oh wait, hold on. There's no music in the background. My bad, guys. My bad. I mean, music is important. We need music. We need music. Let's see. Skyrim. Frostfall is snowing, so let's play some Frostfall. Okay. There we go. That's nice. Let me lower that a little bit. Okay. All right. Okay, so let's do this. So I want mouse events. Mouse events. Mouse left button. Mouse right button. Backwards compatibility to complicated name. Okay. Mouse button. How the fuck do I use it then? Okay, how did I use gamepad button? Enum. Hopefully this isn't too loud. I want to try to lower a little bit more. There we go. Gesture, camera mode. Save file. Data callback. In a close window, get window, show cursor, hide cursor. That's a good one. I could actually hide the cursor whenever you're drawing. Enable cursor, clear background, which is this is here we go. Is mouse event press int button. So I'm gonna do like a little test. This handles drawing, so this handles events, I guess. So if, because I completely forgot about the thread. I don't know why I have this issue. I just always forget shit when it comes to programming. Like I always forget I think is mouse button pressed. Okay, I gotta split this shit into two. Let me go to that up mouse button. Pixel format. Here we go. Mouse button left. Is mouse button press. Mouse button left. Then how the fuck do I get the position of the mouse button? Fuck. Okay. Set exit key is key down. Get key pressed. Here we go. Get mouse X and get mouse Y. Perfect. Draw text. I forgot draw text. Hello world. New line. I really don't need the new line. So draw text. And I want it to be get mouse X, get mouse Y. And then button font size, I'm gonna make the font size be 12. I could just make it 24, it doesn't really matter. It's just for testing. It is a drawing, so I should put it here. I need to put it after you're in the background. Yep, but we're getting the mouse position. Now you may notice something that's been a problem here. It's the clear background. So we want clear background to be manual, so I'm gonna get that off. And when I press this button, so when the mouse position is on clear button, I want to run a clear background. So this is really easy. This is really easy to implement. So let's just comment that out. Actually, I can just leave it. If mouse X is greater than square clear button pulse that X and get mouse X is less than clear button size dot X. And get mouse Y is greater than clear button dot pulse dot Y and get mouse dot Y is less than clear button size dot Y. Clear background black. Okay, so now we do this. Whoops. We click here. What the fuck? Okay, so that's not working. I see another issue happening here. The FPS, okay. I'm gonna have to add like a little flag to clear background. Make it up be a bow. This is not efficient at all. I'll tell you this. A lot of these things are not efficient, like for optimization, because first of all, it's just, I mean, this is like a fucking small mass program. I really don't have to care about that, and I just want to like get the functionality done. Oh, it's a vector get mouse position. Okay. Wait, so can I do, instead of this, can I just do fucking, I always suck when it comes to doing that shit. It's so fucking annoying. Get mouse position, and if it's equal to that, your background. You cannot compare a vector to a vector. I don't get why it's not. I just don't get why it's not working. So if the mouse position X and the mouse position Y is equal, so you're just gonna say if it's greater than or equal to, if it's greater than or equal to, I'll just say that. Okay. Alright, that works. The sucky thing is it's not taking Y into account. If gamma's position is greater than pulse x dot y, and so I'm not checking that width. I don't know how to do that. I mean, I know how to do it. You just like thinking about it. It's like this is this kind of thing is the thing that confuses me. Let me drink some coffee. It's like it's so simple. Some guys probably like laughing at me, like, how do you not? It's like I know how to do it. It's just like trying to visually see it. How can I do this? This is greater than and this is less than. So I'm just gonna do what I did here about inverse, which is gonna be the minimum. If I'm doing this right. I think it's this. See, now it doesn't work. Oh, what if I... Now everything clears. It has to be and. What the fuck did I just delete? God. Okay. I'm gonna really need fucking like text to show me like the fucking position of the fucking thing, because I'm trying to like visualize this hard. If the mouse position is greater, but then I also want to check if it's less. So and get mouse position x, that x is less than clear button dot size, so I can get the right side. That should be it. That should be it. That should be it. Because yeah, that makes more sense. God, please, please. I expect if I tried that on Y. So let's do Y. 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 Because Y is just easier too. My God. Oh, I just don't. Minus. Minus. God damn it. No, it's not minus. Oh my God, why am I so fucking bad? I just know I had to fucking do fucking set mouse position. You're just fucking. Oh my God. Hold on, let me just so if you press left, I'm gonna make it if first clear. Clear, please. I think I have bow with Raylib. No, because the naming collage is gonna happen. Definitely not. Whatever. Clear background. Clear background. Black. Clear, please. Is now 0. Is it? Yes, that makes sense. So now what I do is if I click it, I want to draw oh my God, okay. Oh, I can just run the man command here. Man, I said printf. What does it return? It returns an int. Fuck. I need to do text format. Close window. Close buff. Oh my god, I don't have to close it, that specific buffer I'm in Emacs. So I'm gonna just do Raylib. And I'm gonna do text format. There we go, very good function right there. So text format. And he's gonna do that. Then I'll do get mouse position .x get mouse. Set target before set target. Oh. Okay, okay. I don't know. I guess no, I do know. It draws it, but it doesn't constantly up. It constantly fucking clear it. So what I could do, how to make it so whenever so this background doesn't affect the. What am I fucking doing? I already know it's on fucking. I already know. I already know about the FPS. I already know it's at 60. I can just hide that, and there we go. I just need to get this mouse position. So our position needs to be at 151. God damn it. Oh my god. And less than. Okay. So if is mouse button pressed left, and if it's inside, yeah, mouse button. Christ. If is if So clear circle. So if clear button position pause that x is greater than get mouse x. I need creator. So let me just write it down as well. What couldn't I just be more fucking talented when it comes to this shit? If the mouse X position is on the start of shape and before and with trigger. No, I want to start with Y. X is easy. X is extremely easy to do. X is harder to do. Y is extremely easier to do because I can easily find the Y position. I can easily click the Y position rather than the X position because it's the one that fucking right on the screen. Which I fucking did. Then we want to clear background black. So we got this. Okay. Wait a minute. This means that it will only affect it if it's higher than the mouse position. So what if I do what if I inverse it? What the fuck? So if I what the fuck? No. If I go here, yeah, it doesn't do it. If only it's only when it matches. It matches. Okay, I see. Yeah. God. Minimum, maximum. This should not be that hard. Now if we go here, that's when it happens. So it happens when it less than it. And the mouse position is less than the Y position. So clear button Y position. Holy fuck. What? What the fuck? Wait a minute. Why is that? Why is that garbage data? What the what? I'm so fucking confused. Why is that garbage data? I know. It's a float. There we go. Oh my god. I was losing my fucking mind for a second. It's a float. It's a fucking float. 164 and it's 40. So it's right here. And I want to get the maximum Y right here. Oh man. Should work now. Yeah. So right here is 172,225. And I want it to be right here. If I do this, it works. And it's on the top because it's less. And I want it to be over here. So it's 129. So this is the minimum. Now I have to compare with the maximum, which is gonna be clear button the pulse dot y. So if clear button x, clear button y is greater than clear button get mouse y. Still only takes that. Minus. No, it wouldn't be minus because y increments. I just don't get it. I just don't get it. I just don't fucking get it. And I always spend so much time with this fucking thing. Oh my god. It kills me. Why am I taking so long over such a small fucking thing? I always struggle when it comes to fucking collision. When it comes to collision, when it comes to area checking, area bounding, I don't know what the fuck it is. When I get to it, I literally just fucking collapse. I collapse. If get mouse x is greater than No, if it's less than, yeah, no. If it's greater than, this is the minimum of the fucking clear button pause X. That's the minimum. And get mouse Y is greater than clear button pause X plus, no, he's gonna say size X. That's the maximum. So if it's greater than the position X and less, I want it to clear. And get mouse Y is greater than clear button that pause that Y. So that's at the bottom. And get mouse Y is less than clear button that size that Y. Right now, this is going to be so if the Y position is greater, that's the bottom. If the Y position is less, that's the top. Wouldn't it be if it's equal to? Can't invalid operands. Some fucking work. I don't know why. What I can do is check up the text format. A minute. This actually displays it. So what I can do is set have here the text format displaying pause size. Mouse. New line. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Box. Pause. Box. 6. Okay. So in here, hold on, hold on. Oh my god. Okay, that's interesting. The position. Ah, I see. Guys. Oh my god, it was that fucking simple. By the way, the reason why it still shows up that I quit is because I need to. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. I should make this a function. It was that fucking simple. Jesus. But that's what I mean. Literally, I got like the visual showing me like the numbers. Once I got the numbers, I'm like, okay, I see the issue. Oh, okay, okay. God, man, I'm so fucking Jesus Christ. God, my God. Only took an hour. Great, lovely. Here we go. That's why. Wait 1 minute. It's supposed to clear. Why are you still showing the fucking? Look at this fucking mess. Jesus. It's so bad. It's so. Oh my god. God, it's so fucking bad. I don't know why it's still showing it. I guess I'll do clear background. No, that would defeat the purpose of it. I'll say right. And then I'll do if is mouse button pressed. Mouse button left. And then there we go. So I'll do this. This is nothing. Then I click this with my left mouse button. What? What the fuck? What? Why is it not working now? My guess is because it can only handle like one input at a time. So I'll do if it's. I'll basically copy this. And in here I'll say left. And then I'll get this. Okay. Okay, that's why. It can only handle one input at a time. I don't know how to enter more inputs. Okay, so we got clear, but oh my god, this should not be taking this fucking long. But it's about to be 7 and I have to go. So I mean, but we got this at least. I can't believe. Oh my god. Minimum, maximum, minimum, maximum. That's it. That's it. It's that fucking simple. But I'm happy with this. Clear button. Clear button. Is there a way to enter like multiple inputs in fucking? That's for keys. Is mouse button. Down, no. Released. I don't know how to do that. Yeah, I don't know. Because it only handles one mouse button at a time. So I'm gonna use the right to draw and then the left to what I'll do is I'll make the right be like drawings and applying it, and the left be like selecting like a shape. So you click left on square, you get a square, then you'll be fucking like drawing. But then to do that, I have to like hold mouse button. So while mouse button is holding, I wonder if I can make that a switch statement. Anyway, I gotta go. I gotta go. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm very sorry this took way too long. It shouldn't have taken way too long. I just like you saw me like try to come up with this. It's like, you know, I get it, but it's just like it's like a fucking like problem I have when it comes to like visualizing like this. Like I literally thought the size X was the maximum, but it wasn't. So, you know, that's. I mean, what else can I say? But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll keep working on this. I want to finish it. I don't want to work on another project before I finish this. So expect it to be done. Anyway, bye guys. Peace. So I'm back. I want to finish this right now. This is what we got. Make bin. This is what we got. So we have a clear button. Oh, I can do and then clear button. Yep. And now what I want to do is make these things work. The question is how to make it work. I actually don't know. I really don't know. Well, while I'm here trying to set everything up, I'm back. External. Let's see, what was it? It's build external Raylib. Include source and Raylib.h. There we go. But yeah, this is like it's like I think it was on Monday that I made that one video. This is like Sunday. I take I don't know how to organize my personal life and then my coding life. Like I set exit key. No, not like escape. Like I'm. It's like you have people that want to like hang out with you. You got work, and I suck at balancing people hanging out with me. because it's like cool. I'm hanging out with them, but now it's like, well, I'm spending less time doing this, and then I have to hang out with another person because I haven't hang out with them for like the whole week because then I hang out with somebody else. It's just it's just hard to at least for me. I'm just terrible at that. So what I'm thinking is what I can do is I can have a default shape. I'm gonna name it that draw widget. And it can be a shape of a circle or a shape of a square. And I can say if the enum of the widget is square shape, then that it'll be a rect shape and it'll draw. I'm just gonna start with like a square shape as default, so I could have enum. But yeah, I even forgot right now what I could have done. Draw shape. The enum is rect. I can do that. Whatever. Just gonna leave it like that. Rect circle. Let's make the star 0. I mean, it's just already got my star at 0. And then I can make a type that struct my drawing widget. So the position will be the mouse X and Y position. So vector 2 pause. The size, float size. Oh no, that'd be the shape. I can make a rectangle shape be square inside of it. And then I can make it draw a square if the square flag is on. I'll do that right now. It might not be the most efficient thing, but wait, but then it won't be needed, right? I just leave it on for now. And I'll also just make it be like it'll draw pics. No, it wouldn't work. What else? This needs to go up here. Then I need to do enum draw shape will be wrapped by default. I think this is how it's done in C. Because I don't have a type def enum, so I can just do draw shape. So it's probably draw shape. Drawing shape. I don't know what naming convention C follows. I think it's just draw it like this, draw shape. Okay. Now I'm gonna split this. I'm gonna go here as well and put it like that. And I'm going to now go on the bottom. Before the clear button, I want to do this. I want to do this after. So I want to do drawing widget. So my drawing widget free draw. I'm gonna name it free draw. I could give it an init, like a type def init. And it'll be there you go. So it's not rectangle shape, it's rectangle. It has a float x, float y, width, and a height. I should just do that honestly. Vector size. So I'm just gonna do that. Yeah, let's just do what I did down here, where I just did a vector 2, 0, 0, vector 2, 0, 0, and the default will be ret. So then I go, oops, I go down here, freeze draw, and I say drawing widget. And we need to do this because we don't have a constructor. And I obviously forgot something also that is important. And that is, I don't need a semicolon at the end with that because just gonna, because we already have one here, it just makes more sense to put it like this. So we have a drawing widget, and the position of the drawing widget is going to be the mouse cursor. So it's going to go on the logic part, on the logic part of events. And it's going to name it logic. Yeah, it's lowercase down there, so it's going to put logic lowercase. And what I want to do is my free Christ. Okay, freeze draw. It is free draw. Free draw that pause is gonna be get mouse get mouse position. And what I'm going to do now is I'll do it up here. If free draw that shape is rect, what I want to do then is have a rect I should want to do something else first as well. It's in free draw that size. I want the size to be, so it could be 8 by 8. Color, I need to give it a color. Color. Is it struct color? It's lowercase. Color. So I need to apply that. It'll be red by default. Yeah. It'll be red by default. So then if it's rect, what we're going to do is we want to say draw rectangle and redraw the in redraw brush. Pause and redraw that size and redraw that color. So now we run it. Yes. Size is an int. It's an int. Oh. Wow. Draw. Oh my god. Draw a shape. There we go. So now we have. Oh, look at that. Now there's a problem. I mean, this is technically what I want. But there is a problem. Is that everything should be clearing. So I guess what I want to do is have two canvases then. Like one that clears immediately and the other that stays. I don't know how to do that. Oh shit, I don't know how to do that. How do I do that? I guess what I can do is I can make it so it shows on when I'm holding left click. So when I'm holding left click is when it's gonna draw that. If excuse me. It's when I, oh shit. I gotta find the one where it's like damn it. I need to fucking sort the packages window. If see now I pressed. There we go. We can do this. And then if I press here, boom, it'll clear it. And then what I can do is I want to make a function for this. I'm gonna copy this. And I want to make this a function. Correlation. So I'm gonna make it return an int. I'm gonna name the function inbounds. Now I say min int min x int max x int. I can just copy this. And rename this to y. What I can do is if min x. Shit, hold on. What are both of these? Okay, mouse position is vector 2. Pause, if I remember correctly, is a vector 2. Yes, what I can do instead is just vector 2a and vector 2b. Why is one not highlighted? Weird, okay. And if a dot x is greater than b dot x and a dot x is less than b dot x plus b dot. Shit. Oh, fuck. Because it needs to take in account this, which is the max of that. Max. I mean, only one will really matter in what I'm doing when it comes to min and max. Whoa, 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 whoa. My mic. Oh, fuck, I'm pulling this out of my bed. Okay, there we go. Okay. Okay. This is so bad. Oh my god, I cannot remember. This is gonna be so bad. Ugh. And Christ, I'm the worst programmer ever. Hate that y is greater than. It's less than actually. No, it's greater than. No, it's less than. I'm like looking at something else. B dot x and no plus. What am I doing? I'm looking at this in order to like see the thing. And so okay, now I'm in the y. Obviously, I'm just so fucking stupid sometimes. Greater, because that's there. There we go. Okay, this is much visible. Okay. I think that's it. And then I do that. Then I do system b min y plus b min b max y. Return 1, not return 0. Now, obviously, I should do bow and then true and then false. Move that out. So what if I do if in bounds get mouse position? Yep, there we go. Perfect. Okay. So now I can get rid of this. I won't need it anymore. Now I can just have a like clear thing like that. Great. Now what I can do is in here I can say if this mouse button press. I think that was it. I could probably make that a function pointer. It's gonna be color. I just want to test something out on that color. Too few arguments. What? Oh, B mean B max. Wait. Shit. How do I do this? God damn it. Oh, god damn it. So what I can do is... God, I'm a terrible fucking programmer. I probably had like a better fucking thinking whenever I was doing this before. There is a minimum B min, B max. It's so silly to even do that because I have a vector too. And I just say no, no, I can't do this. That's gonna be bad. Fuck can I do? Vector 2. Radius. Did that work? I doubt that work. Yeah, vector. I mean, all I can do is just use like a normal function. So if we draw that pose that acts greater than basically what I did here, which kind of renders like this function, I guess is just like just works like in one thing, but doesn't really work on the next thing. It was, oh, was it color palette 1 center pulse x and y or x, I should say. So that's then the color palette. 1 then center pulse x plus radius. Color palette 1 center pulse y and read for that plus that y plus that color palette 1 center plus y plus color palette 1 radius. Okay. Holy shit. Hold on, guys. It crashed. It crashed. He crashed that whole fucking virtual machine. That's insane. I didn't even expect it to do that. What the fuck? Mini paint. Oh. What? What do you mean? Oh. Okay, we're back doing this. God, I'll be honest, I'm just really fucking bad at this. Like, how is it that I make the shape, but then I need to like have like 2 layers? I can do this, and I need to check which one is valid. Wait a minute, I can just put this in a for loop. Oh man, this is gonna end so bad. I kind of feel like fucking scared to put this. I'm already seeing like how bad I am. This is the center position. And I want to combine it with the radius. So then I make free draw I a color. Say if it matches with 1. I'm just gonna have a separate one here. So see, this works. If I go here, oops. See, that works. That works. It's weird. You gotta go to like the fucking bottom. Maybe I shouldn't count like the radius. See, it needs to go like on the side. See, like that. If it's on the top, nothing happens. So nothing happens here. Only here, like on this side. That's strange. What if I didn't apply the radius? Ah, that's why. Right? That's why, right? Surely that should be why. Surely. Oh, right. Whoops. Okay, let me not apply the radius. Again, I'm better if I can like see the numbers. Like if I cannot see the numbers, I turn into literally just an idiot. Like that's kind of my whole flow, because then I know. Okay, let's just look. What is the center pulse? God damn it. What is the center? So the center pulse is 24, 24, 66, 24. So I gotta precisely click this. And I want to apply it with the radius, which is the palette circle radius. So I think I should apply that with everything. That's what I'll do. I think that's a smart idea. I already got the macro for it. I might as well just use it. What if I apply that to everything? Oh, that's nothing happens. I don't want to really make this long. Can't believe it crashed though. Yes, it takes this side. It only takes it from like this to this little corner. I don't know why exactly it does that. I don't know why. If the funny thing is, if there were rectangles instead of like circle color palette, like it wouldn't even matter, because I would have gotten this just easily. I would have just immediately gotten it. Me making it like I literally am making this harder for myself. I could just make it a drawing circle palette and just move on with my fucking day. But no, I just had to fucking make this just be more confusing than it has to be for somebody who doesn't know about this shit. I could have just gone simply with, okay, 3 palettes. Okay, we got 3 palettes. Let's see, we can draw on the screen. Okay, we're going to draw on the screen, and now let's clear the screen. Okay, we cleared the screen. All right, that's it. No, instead I was like, let's make drawing shapes. Let's make a circle shape. Let's make the palettes be circle shapes. Let's make this be like this be like that. And here I am making a long ass fucking video that should have just been like fucking 30 minutes or at least minimum 1 hour. Well, not a minimum, maximum 1 hour fucking long. God, man, it's like my mortal folly. It's just I keep making shit up, making shit just like this, making shit just making things be longer than it has to be. Mostly when I don't know it. God, oh my God, I'm so. God. Why? Radius V, radius H. What? What is a radius H and a radius V? Oh my God. Okay. Let's just mouse wheel. For X or Y, get mouse wheel movement for both X and Y. How can I just get mouse wheel up and down? Get movement for X or Y, whichever is higher. How do I just get mouse up? Not mouse up. How do I get mouse wheel? How do I get up and then down wheel? Because if I go up, I want to increase it. So if I go up like this, it's gonna like increase that thing. Get collision right. I can get collision with 2 friends. Get check collision with circle. You know, I'm just gonna do that. I'm just gonna fucking do that. Fuck this free draw shit. Check collision circles. Get check collision point with a circle. And it's gonna get free draw that pause. That's gonna be my point. And then I'm gonna get the color palette I dot center pause and color palette I dot radius. What the fuck did I do? Oh. Wow, guys, look at that. It's almost like using built-in functions to do a fucking thing works better than actually trying to implement them yourself. Wow, I'm such an... No, I need to stop doing that. Like, calling myself an idiot. Like, come on. You're better than that. I mean, you can do this. So we got that. We got that. We got the check collision point circle. We're gonna use the built-in ones because I don't know how to properly do this. So we got that down. Now what we need to do is what do we need to do? I can actually even use checkpoint collisions with a point and then with a rect, and doing that is gonna be way easier to do everything because they probably do it way better. That's my guess. So I have that. What the fuck do I do next? Right, X and Y. Get mouse wheel. Wait a minute. That's a vector. Get mouse wheel movement for both X and Y. That's a vector. So I can just draw it, right? So instead of this, what I'm going to do now, it's just half. mouse wheel. And it's a vector too, so they're both floats. And then what I do is get mouse wheel v that x, get mouse wheel v that y. Does that work? I don't think it will work. Yeah, because it's a function that returns a vector too. Let's see this. Get mouse will be incompatible when sending type from vector to what? Vector 2, but no it isn't. It's a vector 2, it says it right there. Well, it says vector 2 RL Raylib API. Just get mouse wheel move. That's got it wrong. Get mouse wheel move. V. Now we what now? Using default fonts. Too few arguments for draw to oops. Oh shit. I gotta like look 60. Okay, I'm just gonna say 420, 24. What? Okay. It just says 0. I'm just gonna look this up. Okay. Raylib up to get mouse wheel up and down. I mean, just doing it for yeah, it's just doing it for me. Get mouse wheel move. Is that it? It represents a float. Man. Yeah, well, returns a float while represents the mouse wheel movement curve frame. A positive script. Oh. So positive is up, negative is down. So let me... Okay, well that makes more fucking sense. Mouse wheel move. Right, this shit. What? See literal draw text. I'm an idiot. I'm not an idiot. Get mouse wheel move. It needs to be constant. So I'm use draw here. Not getting it. I don't understand. I'm not understanding. Let's just do this. So I don't have to click it. I'm moving my mouse wheel up and down. Nothing's happening. I'm drawing. So you can see everything's being cleared. Nothing is happening. It's a flow, so I'm not losing data. It gets mouse wheel move. I think... What the hell? What happened to my... How to get mouse wheel movement? Raylib. Leave out to this. I don't really want to look at AI code. I mean, isn't anything like I have a garage where like AI or something? It's just scrolling speed in pixels. Oh. It's just I want to figure this out myself. Okay, see that. Okay, so let me do the same thing he did. Hell, why is code open source if you're not gonna use it? Am I right? So I get it. I get it. I think it like resets. So I kind of like just do like a drawing format like this. So what I can do is what did they do here? Scroll speed. So I guess I'll make a int radius speed. I'll also make it 4. It actually felt really nice. And input mouse wheel. So I need to, okay. So in here, what I'm gonna do is in the logic, I'm gonna say if free draw that size system 1. That's since the y is less than 1. And what I'm going to do is redraw that size that x equals, what did we do here? Minus equals, okay. Mouse get scroll move. Get mouse wheel move. Time scrolls, okay. Scroll. God, man, I can't remember shit. Radius scroll speed. No, I did the same for a while. I wonder if that's gonna work. I mean, I doubt it, but you never know. Okay, funny thing, if I move down, it increases. If I move up, it decreases. My shit is literally inversed. Is it because it's plus? Let's do plus. Okay, see, that's inverse now. And see, won't go less than 1. Wow, that was actually the easiest part. And we can go back to hiding this again. Guys, did we cooked? This should be easy. The circle shape should be easy. So, I'm retarded. So, for button widget, I just didn't make this be a circle. I wonder if I could like make this like a struct and inside have a union of what type of shape and then allocate to that. No, I don't know. I'm not really that familiar that well with unions. Excuse me. So what I can do is, if redraw that draw shape circle, I can copy all of this. I mean, I don't really need this to be here. This can actually be outside. And actually, this can also be just a logic function. It doesn't have to be a drawing. It can just be a logic. So we can change the colors. This is a drawing, so it has to do this. Draw circle. Oh shit. Oh shit. How am I gonna do this? I know I'm gonna do this. Rectangle. That's how I'm gonna fucking do this. The sad thing is, I don't really need color. Should I remove that? I don't think I should. I can do circle pow. And then I can do another one. God. God. Then I can like remove circle. Remove the color. Jesus Christ. And then let me see. Circle pow. Circle pow. Pow. To represent circle palette. I don't need to change anything else, thankfully. Because they're all... This should still work that way it does. Because it's okay, everything should be just the same. Oh, whoops. Wait, it's still running. Okay, let me just close this. Free draw color. All right. Right. Still doing this. Draw circle. So I can get rid of position and size, and I can just align that with the specific circle that I'm drawing. So for example, if it's a rect, okay, let me just split this so I can like see this more. I have a terrible fucking memory. I have a terrible I am looking at that and I just immediately forget. So I have to do it like this. I have to like split it. That way I can like remember like the thing. Here we go. So free draw that rect that X. That's, oh man, that's the sucky bit now. I have to do this stupid shit. What am I doing? I'm such a moron. I don't have to do it like this. God, I just take out V, make free draw X, free draw rect Y. Then we go down here, we do free draw rect W, and then free draw rect height, and then we do free draw color, and that's it. Like, why am I making this just more complicated than it has to be? We do that, we do this, we have draw circle, draw rect, sorry. Right here we have draw rect, pulse Y with high color. That's it. That's it. It's perfect. I don't have to like do this fucking thing. Just use the built-in function. That's what they're there for. Come on. Come on. Come on, me. You can do it. You can draw rings? Sonic rings? Draw circle gradient. I'm getting distracted. Draw circle V. I don't really do V. Do I need V? Let's see. Let's see if I need V. What does my circle thing is? Yes, I need V. Draw circle V. And a circle center pulse. Draw circle V. Where is it? We got radius, so free draw circle radius. And then we got the color. That should be it. We shall. And we got problems. Check collision circle. Oh, I forgot to. Oh shit! Right. I also used up. Okay, I need to keep. I need to keep that. Whoops. Okay. Size, okay. Where's size? 49. Alright, I need to change the widget now. What am I doing? 0. Just do that. Just do that. Stop making it complicated. Redraw size, okay, 98. Here we go. Redraw that size. We have a size. Oh, right. I don't need this anymore. 169. 169. So since we don't have size, we can do rect. And what I can do is if redraw shape rect. Now in here, 169, 17. What? Okay. That's my drawing, which has no member name shape. Oh my god, it's raw shape. Maybe has no member. So the name is just with struct rect. They do. Oh my god. Let's see. Oops. 202. Right. Actually, this needs to be in the logic. This logic. Oh. Right, there's no default color. Okay. Here we do need a drawing widget in it. So 0, 0, rectangle 0, 0, 0, 0. And I can remove this semicolon at the end. Circle. At this point, I just want to make the fucking circle just be a fucking float. Vector 2, 0, 0. Let me look how ugly that looks. Right. Red. So we got that now. So I set 0, 0, and then it gets corrected by the fucking loop. What I should do is actually 1, 1. For a circle, that's the center. And then the radius. Should be 1. Of course it fucking crashed. I don't even know why it crashed. Yes, I have a directory to fucking like where I'll see knowledge so I don't forget. That's how fucking bad my memory fucking is. Jesus. It's bad, guys. It's bad. I mean, not that bad, but you know, it's bad. E-shell is more like Pong. Oh, this is from my previous thing. There we go. Now it works. We got it now. I don't know why it crashed, but we got it. We got it. And everything else should be easy. Really with the logic function, we just check if is mouse button pressed, mouse button left. I just check that right here. I can do a square button. So let's split it again. Clear button, square button. Here we go. I could just make an array like that, and that'll probably be easier. Screw it. Square button. If check collision point rect. I'm just gonna use the built-in one. Like, I'm sorry guys, I'm just gonna use the built-in one. Build minipan. I went behind the other directory. External Raylib source Raylib h. So I want to check collision between point and rect. And then the racks are gonna be square button. God. Ooh. Yeah, let me just make it be a point. Let me not just make it be a fucking data type of rect. Surely that won't screw me up later. Surely won't screw me up later. Rect. Let's see. It's not a data type of rect, but it basically contains the same fucking function. So what I can try to do is rectangle, square button, pause. Fuck. Pause that X. Square button. Pause that Y. Oh crap. Square button. Size that X. Square button. Size that Y. Okay, let me see. There we go. So if it touches the square button, free draw shape is gonna be a rect. Else, Shane's gonna do if. Right, I forgot I made the fucking. Why did I make it be a circle? Why couldn't I just be a normal person and just make it be a? Why am I name? It's okay. I made it be like a half-ass circle, so I don't really gotta worry about that. So I can just do circle button right here because it is a widget, so I can just do circle. Wait, but that's not my button widget. Wait, no, I'm like losing my fucking mind here. It's fucking caps. I'm gonna got these. Why that name thing so bad? Circle. Oh shit. Oh. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I thought it was gonna be like something fucking terrible, and luckily it wasn't. There we go. Oh, dang it. What? Oh, what? Wait, that's a. It is. What? Bro, Why do I name things so fucking bad? It was a capital. I forgot to do one thing. That is here. Like what will it do if it's and of course let me just let me just do it like this. Circle it is. Okay, that's what it is. Free draw circle. No, there's a vector. Okay, free draw circle. Center pause is gonna be that. So I'm gonna worry about that. Free draw circle radius. Now I gotta worry about the radius. I don't gotta worry about height. It's less than 1. The radius is gonna be 1. And I don't gotta worry about this. I can just say circle that radius. And now for here, I think I already got it. So now we go back to. Alright, let's see. Okay, it's not so bad. It's one semicolon I missed. Oh. There we go. We got it. Wow, I gotta be super fucking precise. Hold on. Okay. So I need to fix a circle shape. Circle shape is extremely fucking bad. It's extremely bad. In fact, I'll probably have to do. I think that's fine. I probably have to do for this check collision circle. Check collision circle. Point and then the circle, which is gonna be the center. So it's gonna be free. No. God damn it. Square circle button. Oh my god. Where is this stupid? Here it is. Okay. Here we go. Circle button. It's gonna be circle button the center. So it's gonna be circle button that pause. And then the radius. Which is gonna be circle button the size that X. I think that's the radius. It's clear it. I can keep drawing. Hi. Yeah. All right, that's it. So that's me. That's my fucking mini painter. I can obviously remove the text at the bottom. I don't need it anymore. There we go. So yeah, that's my program mini painter. I guess by default I can make it be 4. So let's see right here. Drawing widget 4, whoops, right here. 4, 4 for the, and for the radius, I can make it be, circle vector 2, and then the radius, I can make it be like 4 at the beginning as well. That way I don't have to like rely on that. I can do that. You can see it works perfectly fine. I got the fucking circle, I got the dots. Look at that. So let's make a, I was gonna say let's make a Christmas tree, but I don't. So the good thing about this program is that if I add like more palettes, like I can do right now, let's add brown, for instance. So let's make 4. And obviously I cannot run it. Well, actually I guess I can. But it won't apply that one because that one's no. So I can just add one more color palette. Like so. Make it be brown. And obviously it won't move. I gotta like fucking do the math. So then we can pull out a calculator. There's no calculator here. Well for my next program we're gonna make now we're not gonna do that. Calculator. Oh, calculator. Okay, we do have one. Thank God. 108 minus 66. 42, so it's 42 apart. So then we can just say like 42 plus A is 150. That was it, right? Like I'm not fucking 108 minus 66. And I clicked the wrong damn thing. 108 minus 66. 42, yeah, 42. So 42, 150. We have brown. Then we do this, and then we have what? No, it doesn't. Oh, what? What? Max cut. I didn't even up. Oh my god, that's why. Didn't do that. There we go. Now we're good. So there you go. I got brown. Do this. You can see. Look, easily. I just added one more, and the program worked. It's extendable that way. Not very much with other things, but I can just do that, and I won't really have issues. Now, are there things that there like problems with this thing? Yeah, it's not optimized that great. It could have better optimization. I'm probably like doing this extremely bad. It's probably using up more resources than it needs. I could probably do masking. I can probably do like fucking bitwise operation to instead of like booleans to like check like maybe like I can probably just like remove this. It really doesn't do much, doesn't really do anything. It's just like a function there that exists. I can do a lot more. That's true, but this wasn't even supposed to like be big. I was hoping I could like finish this in like one day. Now that I finished this, I'm looking back at it and I'm thinking to myself, by the way, the video's over. You can use you can. Oh, my coffee got cold. There we go. By the way, the video is over. You can like fucking like I don't know like fuck off and like go somewhere else. But this is just gonna be like my final thoughts. I need to lock in more. I'm actually very disappointed. The fuck was that? Wait a minute. What? Oh. Oh, weird. If I like exit it. What the fuck? I'm just gonna ignore that. That doesn't exist. Do not clear button, and you know it doesn't happen anymore. Boom. But I need to log in. I need to log in more. It shouldn't have taken me this long to do this. I need to get my life in order. I need to get my coding in order. I need to get better at doing this. But overall, I'm proud of what I got. I can actually remove this even. I'm proud of what I got. Um, there's probably things I can. There's probably things I could have done better. but there's probably redundant things as well. The mask thing, I could have done that better. Not the mask thing. The that layer thing. The clear thing. I could have probably separated the FPS. But it's just gonna like take long, and I'm just gonna like fucking like think a lot about these things, and then like I'm like making a video, so it's just gonna be like, oh, hold on. Okay, now I gotta go. All right, so hope you guys enjoyed. This was my mini paint. I'm proud of it. So yeah, uh, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go now. Hope you guys enjoy. Tetris. I'm gonna do Tetris next, obviously. Now I don't know how long that's gonna take me. I don't know. Tetris is like 10 times harder than this. I don't even know the logic. You gotta like you have like these shapes and you gotta like flip it. I don't know. It's gonna be like a very very long video. Again, I'm not good with C. I might do it with C++, but ignore that sound. But yeah, um, hope you guys enjoy. I'm gonna go, and bye bye. Peace.